Hi children, good morning once again. So we have come to the end of this chapter, Unit 4, My Point of View. So this activity 8, which I am beginning with, is an interview with Carl Sagan, a respected scientist. So let's see what is discussed in activity 8. Here is an interview of Dr. Carl Sagan. The interviewer asked Dr. Sagan to give his views on the existence of intelligent extraterrestrials and the many sightings and reports from people who say that they have seen extraterrestrials on Earth. So, what is the main point of discussion in this interview? The interviewer is asking, what is your viewpoint regarding the people saying that they have seen some intelligent extraterrestrials on Earth? Carl Sagan admits that since his childhood, he has been strongly fascinated by the belief of intelligent extraterrestrial life. He has been involved in sending spacecraft to nearby planets to search life and in the radio search for extraterrestrial intelligence. If they are found, Dr. Sagan takes us to a wonderful prospect. It would be an absolutely transforming event in human history. But to verify their existence, more rigorous standards of evidence to be implemented. So Carl Sagan is admitting we all have seen Hrithik Roshan's film, right? जादू वाली पिक्चर देखी है ना हमने, जादू जादू. So what was जादू in that film? It was actually the existence of some extraterrestrial, यानी कि बाहर के planet में से आया हुआ फिजिकल. सो एविडेंस इज टू बी एग्जामिन्ड बाय स्केप्टिकल. बहुत सारे तो अगर उनकी बातों को सीरियसली लेना है तो फिजिकल सर्च करने के लिए अवेलेबल एविडेंस जो प्लैनेट दिख सके सम काइंड ऑफ लाइफ एकदम एंड एज शोन इन द एग्जामिन करके ही बोला जा सकता है. उसमें नो रिलायबल एविडेंसेस आर फाउंड. अभी तक जितने ने भी क्लेम किया है नो रिलायबल नो ट्रस्टवर्दी एविडेंसेस एग्जिस्टिंग इन दिस. पीपल से दैट फ्लैग्स आर फ्लैश्ड towards UFOs, if some kind of evidence, so some people have even said that UFO की तरह then light flash किया जाता है तो they flash back. बहुत बड़ा pilots हो जाएगा human history में could do that as a good job such type of extraterrestrial. But Carl Sagan is saying that even हमारे but to verify their existence मगर ऐसा prove करने के लिए we need switch back the lights to us, flash back the lights to us. Understood children? Good job. Then the interviewer asked Dr. Sagan to comment on the stories that people have told people become scientists and find something if more people have the existing strong evidence or their unidentified on the objects, flying objects. Then the interviewer UFOs. Is asking directly to Dr. Sagan that what do you think about the stories which people are telling that they have seen other people being kidnapped or abducted in the spacecraft, aliens की स्पेसक्राफ्ट में ऐसे किसी को ले गए हैं. मगर ऐसा कोई प्रूफ है, कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग एविडेंस है अर्थ पे. डॉक्टर सेगन सेज दैट देयर आर मेनी स्ट्रेंज स्टोरीज फ्रॉम पीपल अबाउट देम बट दे कैन नॉट बी टेकन एज ट्रू. मगर इनको हम सच मान के नहीं चल सकते. So let's move on to the end of this chapter children. You all know that our universe is such a huge place that many people think that there must be other life somewhere in it just because it is so huge. I don't know about you children, and we being not able to meet each other, otherwise I would have questioned each one of you whether you believe in aliens or not. I do believe somewhere in aliens that life exists somewhere outside our planet too. So our universe is such a huge place that many people like me and others think that there must be some life outside our mother earth. The universe is so huge that it must be measured in light years. So what is the measuring unit for measuring the universe? That is light years. Light is the fastest thing we know. It travels as 299,792.458 meters per second. It's a huge number. I don't know how to actually get those full stops and commas in maths, children. Our sun is 8.33 light meters away, meaning it takes the light from the sun 8.33 minutes to reach us. Even हमारा सन इतना दूर है, हमको लगता है पास में है, बट एटलीस्ट उसकी लाइट को पहुंचने के लिए 8.33 मिनट्स लगते हैं. इमेजिन हाउ फार अ लाइट ईयर मस्ट बी. तो आप खुद इमेजिन करो कि एक लाइट ईयर कितना दूर हो सकता है. द मोस्ट डिस्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द यूनिवर्स दैट साइंटिस्ट हैव एविडेंस ऑफ कम्स फ्रॉम लाइट दैट हैज़ टेकन 14 बिलियन ईयर्स टू रीच अस. सो सबसे दूर का कोना हमारे यूनिवर्स का साइंटिस्ट ने एविडेंस ढूंढा है. इट कम्स फ्रॉम 14 बिलियन ईयर्स. इट इज़ 14 बिलियन ईयर्स लाइट ईयर्स अवे एंड देयर मे बी मैनी मोर यूनिवर्सेस फार्दर अवे दैन दैट. सो हु नोज कि देर मस्ट बी सम अदर यूनिवर्स इवन फार्दर दैन 14 बिलियन ईयर्स. हु नोज चिल्ड्रन? When you grow up, let us find out. So, as Carl Sagan said, somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known. ऐसे यूनिवर्स में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिसका पता लगा नहीं है and it is waiting to be known. So, with this we come to the end of the chapter, children. As usual, I'll be sending you the meanings, question answers in the Google Classroom. Till the next chapter, bye.